Welcome to the channel. If you are a returning subscriber, thank you for coming back. If you are new, welcome. In today's video, we are going to be looking at the 10 things that you need to check on your vehicle. We are going to be looking at where you check them, why is it important, and how often should you do that. So the first thing that we are looking at is the oil level and quality. So how you check this is you open the vehicle's hood or the bonnet of the vehicle, and then you locate the oil dipstick. So that is the one that you are going to check from. And then why is it important? So proper oil levels and quality ensure engine lubrication and cooling, and then this also avoids engine damage. So that's why it's important to do that check. And then how often should you do this? You should check at least once a month or before long trips. And then so that's how often you should do that. And then moving on to the next item, which will be tire pressure. So how do you check for this? So you use a tire pressure gauge on the valve stems of each tire. And then why is it important? Correct tire pressure improves fuel efficiency and handling while preventing accidents. And then how often should you do these checks? You should at least check once a month or before long trips. And then moving on, the third item that you need to check is brake fluid. So you need to locate the brake fluid reservoir under the hood or under the bonnet. And then why is it important for you to check the brake fluid? Proper brake fluid levels ensure reliable braking performance. So you don't want to find yourself needing to stop the vehicle and all of a sudden you realize that your brakes are failing because of poor oil levels, right? And then how often should you check this? You should check after every 6 months or top up as needed. And then the fourth thing that you need to check is the coolant or antifreeze level. So where to find this? You find the coolant reservoir under the hood or under the bonnet, often near the radiator, right? And then why is it important? Adequate coolant prevents engine overheating and freezing, so that the engine performs at optimum level. And then how often should you do this? You should check this on a monthly basis and top up as needed. And then the fifth one that you need to consider is to check is battery health. So obviously the battery is located under the bonnet of the vehicle, and it is important to check the health of the battery, as this ensures reliability, starting and electric component operation as well. And then how often should you check this? You should check this 3 to 6 months, especially before extreme weather conditions. And then the sixth thing that you need also to check is brake pads and discs. So visually inspect these through the wheel spokes and remove the wheel if necessary, right? And then why is it important? Good brake pads and discs are crucial for effective braking. And then how often? Each and every 6 months. These need to be checked and replaced if necessary. And then moving on to the seventh thing that you need to check, this will be lights and signals. If someone observe the lights and signals as you activate them, right, like your front lights and your back lights, so that you can establish if they work properly. And then the importance of these functional lights and signals ensure safety and communication for both you and others driving around you as well. And then also just imagine at night, if you were to discover that the lights of your vehicle are not working, it will be a challenge for you to drive that vehicle. And then you should check these each and every month. And then moving on to our eighth thing that you need to check rather, this will be the air filter. So on this one, you need to refer to the owner's manual to locate the air filter housing. So in most cases, it will be the air filter for the vehicle's engine, and also the air filter for the interior of like your air conditioning system, right? So both of them, they need to be changed. And then why is this important? A clean air filter improves engine performance and also the quality of air that you breathe in the vehicle. And then how often should you these be checked? And then you have to check each and every 6 months and replace them if they are dirty. But also remember, if your vehicle does specify when it should go for checking up, some vehicles I know after every 10,000 kilometers, others they do after every 15,000 kilometers. So you can have these checked out when you go for that service. And then the ninth thing that you need to look at is the transmission fluid. So where about is this located? So it's obviously located in the transmission dipstick, or or you can consult the owner's manual to actually see where and how about do you actually check for this. And then the importance, proper transmission fluid ensures smooth gear shifting, right? I don't know if you guys have driven vehicles with like stiff gears or like very hard gears to change. In most cases, it could be that the transmission fluid is getting low and it needs to be replaced, or you just need to top it up, right? And then the 10th thing, which is the last thing that you need to check, is the belts and hoses. So you need to inspect the belts and hoses under the hood, right? So you must make sure that your fan belt and all that is still in good condition. And then if there are any hose, obviously you have to check all the hoses if they don't have any cracks or any leaks within the vehicle, right? And then the importance, healthy belts and hoses are vital for engine operation, because obviously you will make use of the power that the engine is producing. And then how often should you check this? Inspect after every 6 months and replace when needed, right? So there you have it, guys. And also remember, for any tasks that might require technical expertise or specialized tools, consider visiting a certified mechanic or an auto service center. They can ensure proper checks and maintenance and also repair your vehicle. So yeah, guys, there you have it. If you own a vehicle, please do check all these things that we've listed below. And then if you feel that we've left some of the items, please do leave them in the comment section below. Otherwise, if you've made it this far, please do like this video and also subscribe to the channel. I'll see you in the next one. Cheers for now.